One of the biggest expenses on vacation is transportation. You have to get to and from your vacation destination, which can be pretty expensive, especially if you fly. Even if you drive instead, gas can get pricey if you're going a long distance. Make sure you have enough money to get where you want to go and to get home. If you picked a destination that requires air travel, use airline websites or travel comparison sites to compare flight prices. Airlines charge different rates for similar flights. Check out different airline sites and compare travel dates. Airline tickets are sometimes cheaper if you fly on a less popular travel day, like Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday. The busiest and most expensive days to fly are Fridays and Sundays. Some sites specialize in comparing the cost of flights with different airlines. Check out some of these sites to compare costs. Some also offer discounts when you book a flight and a hotel room at the same time. Play around with sites like these to see if you can lower the cost of your trip. Find one or multiple flights to reach your destination. You could add the cost of several flights using a sum formula. Or you may find one round-trip ticket and enter it once on your spreadsheet. Maybe you don't want to fly, or it's too expensive for your budget. You can also choose to drive. If you plan to drive, you will need to pay for gasoline. Investigate the current cost of gas in the city you plan to visit. Use a map to estimate the number of miles you will travel to your destination. Then, calculate an approximate cost for gas mileage by multiplying the number of miles you will drive to and from your destination times the cost of gas per mile. For example, if gas costs $2 per gallon and your car gets about 30 miles to the gallon, you'll pay about 7 cents for each mile you drive. If your destination is 300 miles away, multiply 7 cents times 300 to find an approximate cost for gas. In this case, it'll cost about $21 to get to your destination. Don't forget to budget for your return trip too. Multiply the gas cost by 2 to budget for your initial and return trips. Another way to save money on travel is to split the cost with a group by taking a bus or a train. Options like these can save you money because you split the fuel costs with others. Lots of buses and trains offer Wi-Fi and there are restrooms on board. Best of all, you don't have to drive. But buses and trains make stops to pick up and drop off passengers. It might take you longer to get to your destination. Balance travel time with cost savings. In addition to getting to your destination and back home, you will also need money for transportation once you get to a place. Unless you're planning to stay within walking distance of your hotel, restaurants, and attractions for your entire vacation, you'll need a budget for transportation costs during your trip too. If you drive to different locations while on your trip, you might need to budget more money for gasoline. Some transportation systems sell daily or weekly tickets. Find information about these options on city websites or search the internet for your city and transportation options. Enter a transportation pass as a one-time cost in your budget. Try to account for all the costs you would have on your trip. Try to minimize your costs as much as possible, perhaps by trying another option. Researching as many of these costs before your trip will help you make the best choices. It can also save you money.